Hey, this is Lou Hornberger, and I want to welcome you to this ShortsAI demo where I'll show you the power of ShortsAI to create short videos that you can use in your business. Let's take a look. All right, in this demo, I'm going to show you how to use the AI prompter, which is part of ShortsAI. Here are our campaigns listed here. You can see they're listed here with our options to change them. We're going to create a new one by clicking on the plus. Type in our campaign name. Here's our title, Why Short Videos Are Important for Businesses. Then you click on Create Campaign. Then we're going to type in our idea that the AI will then use to generate our script. And there is our idea. Short videos are important to businesses because they are trending right now and because people are buying because of shorts. And then we click on Generate AI Script. And now we have our script. And here's what it says. Shorts are an effective way to engage with customers, build brand awareness, and promote products and services. Short videos are also more likely to be shared on social media, and they are more likely to be seen by potential customers. Additionally, short videos can be used to explain complex topics in an easily digestible way. And then we're going to save that. Campaign script updated successfully. And then we hop back out, come back to our campaigns. And now you see we have our why short videos are important for businesses. And at this point, we will record our video. So what it's doing now is loading my camera. And as you can see on the screen is the script that we just wrote. So then to record that, I click on record. Now it's recording it. And then I start the script. I can adjust the speed of it. And I can read it as it's coming through. Short videos are also more likely to be shared on social media, and they are more likely to be seen by potential customers. Additionally, short videos can be used to explain complex topics in an easily digestible way. Now we're done. Now one of the cool things is it will pause when I pause. So what I just did there was I was paused for a few seconds. Edits that out. So when I pause, it removes those pauses. So I'm going to pause again here. So I was paused there for 2 or 3 seconds. So then when we come into the editor, it will remove those pauses. So we click on Finish. So now what it's doing